Hi everyone. So in this lecture we are going to discuss a very important note of a subspace. In previous lecture we have already discussed about intersection, that is intersection of any two subspace is again a subspace. But in this lecture we are going to discuss about union. But this is not true in union of case, that is union of two subspaces need not be a subspace. Now to check this condition, just consider one example, that is let V, that is vector space, is equal to R3, and R3 can also be written as R cross R cross R, that is this is nothing but XYZ such that X belongs to real number, comma this Y belongs to real number and this Z belongs to real number. Now to check the union of two subspaces, first आपण consider केला आहे vector space. आता consider करूया दोन subspaces, that is let U1 and U2, both subspaces belongs to this V, that is this is a subspace and this U2 is also subspace. Now only we have to check this is a union, that is union need not be a subspace. हे आपण check करणार आहे. As U1 belongs to V, then U1 can also be represented is in the form, that is U1 is equal to X comma 0 such that X belongs to real number. Similarly U2 belongs to V, then U2 can also be represented like this, that is 0 comma Y comma 0 such that Y belongs to real number. So we have this vector space, these two subspaces, that is this U1 and U2. Now only we have to check this union is a subspace or not. So for that purpose just consider U1 union U2. That means this part, that is X 0 0, union implies OR, and U2 means what? 0 Y 0, such that this X belongs to real number and this Y belongs to real number. So XY belongs to this real number. So this bracket can also be written as, that is this X first term, this 0 or Y, that is Y and 0, such that either X equal to 0 or this Y is equal to 0. So we have obtained this U1 union U2 like this. So only we have to check this U1 union U2 is a subspace or not. So first condition of a subspace is a non-empty. As we can see, when we consider by definition, that is 0 0 0, does it belongs to U1 union U2? Yes, because X is equal to how much? 0. Then we can put X equal to 0, Y equal to 0 and Z equal to 0. That means when we consider union, X, Y belongs to, both are belongs to real number, and 0 belongs to real number, 0 belongs to real number. Therefore this element is satisfying this property. Therefore this element belongs to which term? U1 union U2. So that implies this U1 union U2 is a non-empty subset of given vector space R3. So this is your equation number 1. Now to prove it's a second condition, just consider two elements from this U1 union U2, that is first element from this and second element is of the form like this. So let 1 0 0 and second element is 0 2 0, both belongs to U1 union U2. Now consider its addition, that is consider 1 0 0 plus 0 2 0. Its addition is possible because this is a triplet and this is a triplet, corresponding element, and its addition is possible, that is 1 plus 0 is 1, again 0 plus 2 is 2 and 0 plus 0 is 0. But this element does not belongs to U1 union U2, because U1 union U2 says that if we contain this element, then either X equal to 0 or Y equal to 0. That means एकतर X equal to 0 असेल किंवा Y equal to 0 असेल. But now we have obtained this term, neither 1 is equal to 0 nor 2 equal to 0. Therefore this element does not belongs to U1 union U2. Therefore second property is not satisfied. U1 union U2 is not a closed with respect to addition. Therefore from above conditions we can clearly say that is U1 union U2 is not a subspace of V. From this example, we have already obtained this vector space and these two subspaces, that is union of two subspace is not a subspace. That is, in general, we can say union of two subspaces need not be a subspace. This is the important note of a union, that is property of a subspace. Now consider next note, that is above condition is true only when U union W is a subspace of vector space V if and only if either U contained in W or W contained in U. Or this statement can also be written as U union W is a subspace of vector space V if and only if one of them is contained in other. So what is its meaning? आपण वरती बघितलं की युनियन ऑफ टू सबस्पेसेस नीड नॉट बी ए सबस्पेस. बट आता काय सांगताय की युनियन हा सबस्पेस असेल वेक्टर स्पेसचा कधी, जेव्हा यू कंटेन करेल डब्ल्यूला किंवा डब्ल्यू कंटेन करेल यूला. आणि हेच मिनिंग म्हणजेच काय, वन ऑफ देम इज कंटेन्ड इन अदर.